Welcome to mantechhd. In this video we are showing you the all-new 2022 Cupra Born. The all-new Cupra is a part of the Volkswagen Group. They have announced the official start of series production of the all-new, all-electric Cupra Born model, based on the Cupra Born concept. The car is produced at Volkswagen's Zwickau plant in Germany. A part of it other MEB-based models, Volkswagen ID.3, Volkswagen ID.4, Audi Q4 e-tron and Audi Q4 Sportback e-tron and soon the Volkswagen ID.5. Let's check about its production assembly line, interior and exterior, reviews, features and specifications as well as price. Cupra Born is the brand's first all-electric vehicle and the perfect match between electrification and performance. It'll lead the brand's expansion into new markets and deliver a more efficient and sustainable sales model. Based on the Volkswagen Group's MEB platform, Cupra Born is the very first model of the brand with a net CO2 neutral concept. The Cupra Born's exterior design delivers a strong sporty character, expressing agility and performance with a mix of flowing surfaces and technical details. The EV interior is developed to harness digitalization and offer a refined, stylish cabin but with an environmentally conscious twist, such as the standard bucket seats created in partnership with SEQUAL Initiative, developed with sustainable materials made from plastic waste, extracted from the oceans. Cupra Born delivers contemporary sportiness thanks to its DCC in combination with sport suspension and ESC Sport, its progressive steering wheel as well as larger brakes and wider tires mounted in 20 inches alloy wheels. The brand's first all-electric vehicle will be available with two power outputs, 110 kilowatts and 150 kilowatts available with the higher power output version. An eBoost 1 performance option will increase the power output up to 170 kilowatt. Cupra Born offers instantaneous performance, with a 0 to 50 km per hour in only 2.6 seconds and 0 to 100 km per hour in only 6.6 seconds. Cupra Born is equipped with the latest technology available, including the head-up display with augmented reality. Connectivity in the Cupra Born goes beyond with the newly developed My Cupra app delivering access to a plethora of functionalities and features. Cupra Born designed and developed in Barcelona, at the headquarters in Martorell, the Cupra Born will go into production at the Zwickau plant in Germany starting in September. The interior of the Born features a standalone digital dial cluster along with side-mounted drive mode selector. It also gets a flat-bottomed sports steering wheel with a pair of copper-trimmed mode selection switches. There's copper accents and stitching throughout the interior, including on the air vents, door handles, and center console. A pair of sport seats are fitted, which feature copper-themed inserts. A 12-inch infotainment screen is standard, and incorporates touch-sensitive slider controls for both the stereo volume and ventilation controls. Buyers can pick from two leather-free upholstery options, called Dinamica and SEQUAL Yarn. The Dinamica trim is available in either dark blue or gray, and is made from a mix of recycled clothing and single-use plastics. The SEQUAL Yarn trim is also eco-conscious, manufactured from upcycled marine plastics received from beaches, rivers, and the ocean. There are two bucket seats up front, space for 3 passengers in the rear and a boot capacity of 385 liters. The overall design of the Born remains close to what we saw with the Born concept, which is quite in line with the interior design of other Cupra models. The dash layout is clean and uncluttered, with a huge 12-inch touchscreen display, 1560 x 700 pixels, mounted right in the middle of the dashboard, floating style. This is standard for all models, and the display is angled towards the driver. Cupra Connect is standard, now linked with the newly developed My Cupra smartphone application. There's also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, with music piped through the optional 9-speaker Beats audio system. A Qi wireless smartphone charging tray is standard for all variants. As we said, Cupra also offers a choice of two eco-conscious leather-free upholstery finishes, called SEQUAL Yarn and Dinamica. The first is made from upcycled marine plastics, which have been collected from beaches, rivers, and the ocean floor. The plastic is then cleaned, treated, and spun into yarn which has similar properties to polyester. Dinamica is another recycled material, which is made from polyester fibers reclaimed from old clothing and single-use plastics. It's available as an optional extra on the Born, and comes in either dark blue or gray color finishes. Both trims reflect the Born's environmentally friendly approach to mobility. The Cupra Born offers a cargo space of 13.6 cubic feet. The front of the car remains short with a sharply angled bonnet leading to a slim front grille featuring a bronze Cupra logo and standard LED headlights. Beneath this sits a trio of air intakes divided by a copper-colored trim section. The sides of the car feature copper and black finished alloy wheels, along with black contrasting inserts in the lower sills and rear quarter panel. At the rear of the car, a full-width LED light bar is fitted, along with a copper Cupra badge and logo. Beneath this, the rear bumper features a black contrasting insert and a color-matched rear diffuser. If we talk about the safety of the cars with its safety measures, an array of safety technology is fitted, including predictive active cruise control, traffic sign recognition and travel assist, which can assist with the car's acceleration, braking and steering on a motorway. Optional safety features include a 360-degree camera and parking assist. A side and exit assist system is also available, which monitors blind spots and approaching traffic, sounding an audible warning if a hazard is detected. The Cupra Born comes with a host of driver assist features. Some of them include predictive adaptive cruise control, travel assist, side and exit assist, traffic sign recognition, emergency assist, pre-crash assist. Cupra hasn't revealed the prices yet, but with our expectation anything in the ballpark of €30,000 for the base model should be a good price for the Born. If you get some information from our video, so please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for watching more videos of mantechhd.